I looked, it was 10 o'clock, I think, 8:30 or more. I can't remember, 10 I think. So that means it'll be 11:30 now. And it is. So an hour and a half has gone. I think I've done 6 buckets. An hour and a half has gone. I've done a lot of buckets. Hang on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've done 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think this is 11 or 12, maybe 11. I've done 11 since then. I haven't had a good bucket like the one that I actually taped. Some I had shit, some were not bad, but this one is clay on the bottom, so I will film it because I'm expecting my second best bucket all day, or I need to dig in a different direction. But it should be okay. I do have a picker. I didn't film that one, but in one of the buckets I've done a lot. Something strange here in the water. Something funny going on with my battery meter. The water, I think. Ah, yeah, there's no water. There's no water. I'll turn this off. Water issues. My life is water issues. Okay, I'll see if I can finish this one off. And then I'll clean that out. Nah, that doesn't sound right. I can't do that. It's good to film when you fuck up, so you don't look like a hero. Some people filter out all the bloopers to make themselves look like a hero. Yeah, they get infinite viewers. I don't care. I don't need infinite viewers. My life is not about infinite viewing. Fuck, I should have took that mud out of there. There's none. Anyway, that should be good now. That should be good. Is it? Maybe it's something else. But I think there was too much mud and silt under my pump. Let's try now. Yeah, I'm still not happy about that. Or I am. I don't know. Where's the water? This is something drastically wrong. Something... I'm going to fuck something up here. Let's look together what the heck's gone wrong. There's a bloody piece of gold got right down there. I better wash this before I lose it. That's from, I don't know what it's doing way down there. Maybe from the pump, the regular pumping. Jeez. So if it got down to there, that means it must have gone, some must have gone down the toilet as well. Maybe I need to run all that material again. Oh, my back. And maybe it wasn't a piece of gold. It was like a yellow rock or something. Yeah, should be. Should be a yellow rock because unless it's in there somewhere. No, it would be here if it was in there. Alright, so anyway, just safety. Now, let's have a look what's the problem here. There's got to be something wrong here. Why? Damn it. Something's not right. What's this? Oh, the cage. That's clean. Cleanish. I've emptied that, I think. There's nothing in it. Let's have a look. Oh, wait a minute. First I'll clean over their mud. Yeah, I know the GoPro is bouncing. I hate when it does that. Here, too much mud. Maybe. This is where the pump sits in the little cage. Okay. Put that there. Turn that on now. No, something is stupid. I think a pebble's got in past this filter. Damn it. This film's taken too long. Take this off and wash it. I think there might be something in there. Take this off. Let's try again. Oh, my pump shit itself. Doesn't. Oh shit! It's full of shit now. Damn it! Now it's sucked up all grass and shit. Oh, mate. Well, that was stupid. Look, I turned this off. It's getting boring. I'll be back to finish off that bucket after this is over. Washed everything, replaced the water. Let's finish off this bucket. If it doesn't die, now it looks better. I don't know what the problem was. Too much build up of sludge. Still not happy. Maybe my battery's flat as well. But that's not what the problem was before. Anyway, that preview of this bucket is a bad sign. It's like, yeah, I know it's windy. A big gust just came up. But it's blue skies. After all that, now I forgot where I dug this from. Oh, that's right. I said that I've hit the clay layer, so I expect something good to be happening. No, it's still something's not happy there. My life is water issues. Maybe I need more water, I don't know. Turn this off. Now the water does look a lot cleaner, as it would be because I just replaced it. There's nothing to show you. I'll show you. Let me show you nothing. I think my day's done. I think my day might be done. Water issues and this and that, and now gold issues. Looks like I got the lot. Looks like I got the lot. In that direction anyway. Anyway, let's... There's a couple pieces there. I'll show it anyway while I'm here. One easy visible. Oh, not totally. Like normally this is a good bucket. In the olden days, like 2 weeks ago. Anyway, there's the... In the shade works better, I think. One easy visible. No, that's bigger than... That's a good size. Clash Petar pick. Anyway, that's that. I will do a couple of buckets if I can and see whether something shits itself here, or and then I'll make another tape later if I'm still got something to show. Over.